In this tutorial, you'll design an achievement badge display in Photoshop using custom shapes, ideal for gamified interfaces. Start by opening Photoshop with a square canvas. Draw a large circle as the main badge base. Layer smaller circles and geometric shapes inside for icon placeholders. Add a ribbon shape using the Custom Shape tool. Use the Type tool to add achievement titles below the badge. Duplicate the badge behind and slightly offset with reduced opacity for dimension. Add subtle shadow by duplicating the circle and lowering opacity. Zoom out and refine alignment. The badge display now looks interactive and visually appealing.